Recording.
So what?
Okay. Thank you, sir. It flies, look! She's got to be trimmed again. Oh. I want to turn to the right real bad. Well, I'm trimming it. You gonna let me trim it first? You're not.
You trim?
I doubt it. But I don't think you're gonna let me alone, right?
I'll leave you alone.
No, go for it.
No, trim it.
Forget it. It's in the air. Oh. Oh.
You having a hard time controlling it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to middle rates.
Try to trim it out a little bit better.
It keeps going to the right. Really bad. Then it wants to go down immediately. Maybe I should have checked all the control surfaces before that last hit.
Bring it down.
Why?
Maybe it's something we can fix.
Oh, it's broken. The fuselage came apart. That's why it's doing that.
Get it down. Get it down. Let it hit the grass nice and easy. Let it float in the grass. Real easy. Float it down.
Nah, all the way up. I have to chase it. That's why it was doing it. The fuselage was broken and it was flying and flapping back and forth.
When it hit me.